Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the best ombre nails. I'm super excited, but we're going to throw it back and start with prep. I know I don't show you guys my prep routine too often, so I'm going to show you guys how to get this nail look from start to finish. So starting off, I'm going in with a drill bit. And this is like, I guess, a ballpoint drill bit. I'm not too sure of the technical term. All I'm doing here is going in and removing the cuticles off of my nail beds. And I always specify that I'm removing the cuticles off my nail bed and not removing my cuticles. Because I mean, personally, I don't believe in removing cuticles. I just think that it can lead to an unnecessary infection. So I always... And even though I do my own nails, I use my own products on me only, I just never really trusted that. So I'm just removing them off of my nail beds. And it's important to remove them off your nail beds because if you leave them on there, it can cause lifting of the nails, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure that you at least fully remove them off of your nail beds. So now I'm going in with another drill bit, and I'm just really making sure that they are fully off of my nails. And lastly, we're going in with a sanding band, and I'm just removing all the shine and buffing my nail beds. This is all being done on the lowest speed possible. You want to make sure when working on your natural nails that you are using the lowest setting, because you do not want to go too fast and damage your natural nail beds. Alright, so this little tool that I use for my nail drill bits is actually from Temu. And I do have a discount code. I'll leave it down below if you're interested. But I'm going in now and dusting off all of that powder. But now we're going to go in with my prep tools. So starting off, I'm going in with this dehydrator that I purchased from Amazon. It's super inexpensive. I believe this is like the cheapest one that you can get off Amazon, and it works really great for me. I believe it's like $4.99. But yeah, I'm just going in, applying that to my nails, and then I'm using the Young Nails Protein Bond here, and this is the key for me. It really helps retention, and it really just helps my nails not have any lifting. They don't pop off easily. Like if I hit my nail on something, it's great. So I definitely recommend giving that a try. And then the final step here, I'm using an OPI base coat, but you can honestly use any really good sticky base coat. Some of my other favorite brands include Model Ones and Burano. Alright, so for the actual nail tips, I wish I had used my soft gel full nail covers in the medium square, and you'll see why towards the end of the video, but I did go in with a different brand because I wanted a longer length, and I went in with these square ups by Nails Cat Cat. Don't get me wrong, I love her brand. I use a lot of her products in my videos, but You'll see why in the end. But I'm going in with my solid nail tip glue gel, and I just wanted to show you guys how you could see how there was basically a corner left, and I had to go in and use another jar. That's just one of the perks of this product. Not only is it super easy to use, but you get to use up every single drop. And I just love that. Like, there's something about using every single drop of a product and getting your money's worth that just does it for me. But yeah, I'm just going in and taking a pea-sized amount and applying that to my nail. I don't cure each and every nail on after I apply it either. After I remove any nail tip glue that may have got around the cuticles, I go in and I do the next one. And then after 4 of my fingers are done, I go in and cure for about a minute to a minute and 30 seconds. This is clear, so it doesn't take too long to cure. And you always want to make sure that you do your thumb separately. Your thumb really does need that special attention because you want to make sure that they are fully cured from sidewall to sidewall. So now I'm going in with this nail cutter, and this is a sizing one, and I love it because it ensures that all of your nails are the same length. So it definitely helps you cut your shaping time down, but this is also available for purchase on Amazon. I'll be sure to have the link down below. So here's what the nails are looking like, and we're going to be using this Nails Cat shadow rubber base coat in the shade Frenchy. I believe I use Frenchy or Naked. Either way, those two are my top 2 shades by her brand. I absolutely love them. But I did go in and use the sanding band, and I also filed my nails before applying this rubber base coat. But how you apply this is kind of like, first you apply it as a regular gel polish, and you're basically just creating almost like a slip layer. So you apply it as a regular gel polish, and then you go in and you do a builder method. And a builder method just helps you build, some structure on your nails. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of going in, doing some little side to side swoops, and then towards the tip of the nail, we're doing ombre. So I was trying to keep it very sheer at the tip, since we are doing an ombre look. And that's basically how I did it. It's easier to watch than it is for me to explain, but it's super easy. You get the hang of it very quickly, and her gel polishes can be used as her rubber base coats can be used as either or, a regular gel polish, or you can build it up. So I love her polishes. They're amazing, and I definitely recommend giving them a try. So now I did go in and apply a no wipe base coat. I don't know, I felt like this held my ombre. So I'm not too sure if this is necessary, but I'm just showing you guys the whole process that I did it. And there's no rhyme or reason. I just felt like I needed to do a top coat. I'm really not sure. So I'm just going in. This is a sample, so It's one that I'm thinking about adding to my Etsy shop. I'm not too sure yet, but some of my other favorites are Model 1's top coat. They honestly have one of the best no wipe and regular gel top coats that I've come across. Alright, so now we're going to start the ombre, and I'm super excited because this is the best ombre method. So you're going to go in with a white polish, and then you're going to take some acetone, 100% pure acetone, and some white polish, and you're going to mix it up. Get like a little jar, as you can see here, and I had to go in and add a little bit more white polish, but you basically want the acetone to be fully pigmented, very much white. When you tap it with your finger, you want it to be white and not sheer, like a sheer white. You want it to be very pigmented. So after you finish mixing, we're going to be using an airbrush machine. And I know it's definitely an investment. This one ran me about 40 bucks, I believe, or 35 bucks on Amazon. Which really isn't a bad deal to me because I love ombre nails. But you just pop that into your compressor department. I don't know what it's called. I'm just really making stuff up, but it's so easy, y'all. Look at this. You literally just go in. You do want to make sure that you're using some type of paper towel because it can get very messy very quickly. But I'm just pulling the handle back very lightly, and this is all definitely not like a one-stop shop. So as you can see here, after I applied it to a few nails, I did have to go in, remove it off of my nails, and then redo it again. But you get the hang of it. This was like my second time ever using it. It does get easier. It's definitely trial and error at first, but it's super easy to use, and it gives you the perfect seamless blend every single time. Like, there is no other ombre method. I mean, I've tried them all and they just never really worked out for me. And this is definitely the best one that I've come across personally so far. So as you can see, I just removed them as I went, and I also cured as I went as well. So if I, did a really good set, then I just went in and cured. And I did do 2 layers for each like ombre. So yeah, just play around with it, have fun. It's super fun to use. It is kind of loud, but I believe I got mine's on sale, and I think it was originally 40 and it came down to around 35 bucks, but super inexpensive, to be honest. And I love it. I love the way my nails came out, and I'm so happy that I went ahead and made this purchase. If you love ombre just as much as I do, just go on ahead and do yourself a favor and get this, because it's amazing. Like, look at that. Beautiful. But as you can see here, my nails are just super bulky. Like, they just look very, like, wide almost. Like duck nails. They're giving duck nails, and I don't like that look. So that's why I said earlier in the video, I kind of wish I went in with my medium square nails, because they're just, very square. And these are just giving me fan nails, duck nails, that old trend. I went in and filed these a million times, and they were just still very wide, very bulky. But I'm going in with her no wipe top coat. This is her Subtle Glitter by Nails Cat no wipe top coat. Very beautiful. This is also one of my favorites. And now I'm just going in with some alcohol and wiping down any, white polish that may have gotten around my nails. If you went in at this point and washed your hands, everything would come off super easy. And I definitely recommend doing that. But here's the final look. I did go in with cuticle oil. I'm not sure where that clip went, but definitely apply some cuticle oil. Perfect ombre. Like, I just love ombre nails, and I'm just so happy I found something that's easy for me to use. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.